What's up, RestoMods? Chris here. Just going to talk to you a little bit about this Procar seat install we did in your '69 Camaro. All right, you can see here, this is the original seat that was in the car. It had a pair of these. This is the houndstooth design that you see in a lot of '69 Camaros. We were conflicted because we really liked the houndstooth. We liked the design. It's a very Camaro thing. But these seats are from 1969, so they weren't holding you in place anymore. They didn't have the lateral support that you need now that this car handles really well. So that's what kind of made our decision for us. We were going for something a little more high performance. So we went with the Procar by SCAT XLs. These are the rally seats in black leather. The XL gives you a little bit more width for the bigger guys or girls that are going to be driving it. You don't want to be hugged too tight, you still want to be comfortable, but these still provide plenty of lateral support. You can see the bolstering is nice and high on these, and these seats are super comfortable. Okay, so the front seat install went real smooth. It's real simple, all bolt-on stuff. Procar makes a lot of brackets for a lot of different applications, and they made the perfect brackets for our Camaro. Everything bolted right in, super straightforward install. Anybody could do it. The back seat we wanted to match, and we got a seat cover from Procar in leather to match the fronts, and that install was a little bit more involved, so we tapped one of our interior upholsterers that we've worked with before to help us recover the back seat. The finishing touch on all of this was our center console. This console also had some houndstooth interior that we replaced with black leather to match all the rest of the stuff we put in. First thing you're going to notice when you get into these seats is how much more comfortable they are. I mean, driving this car completely changed just by the seat of your pants, literally. So these seats have a lot more modern type design. The foam is a lot better. They hold you in place. Now that this car handles and corners really well, you really don't want to be sliding around inside here. And the leather, it just smells like a brand new car. It's great. So we love the houndstooth, but to be honest, these seats are going to treat you a lot better. The black leather is super high end, super comfortable. So make sure you're entered to win at restomods.com.